Welcome to Fancy as the show that puts your hand up on my hip, and when I dip, you dip, we dip. Today, we're using Easy Candy and Jelly Hues to make rainbow ice cream pops. It's a treat that comes with a direct challenge. Can you eat it before it self-destructs all over your hands? And I don't want to call myself a hero, but that is a challenge that I am willing to accept. So let's go, boss. We're gonna keep it simple today and use my favorite store-bought ice cream. As promised, we're making rainbow pops. So the first thing that we're going to do is add a couple drops of Jelly Hues to our melted vanilla ice cream. To make sure that your ice cream bars pop out of the molds easily, it's important to use a high quality ice cream. Higher quality ice cream has less air whipped into it. A good way to tell if an ice cream is high quality or not is to pick it up. The heavier the carton is, the higher quality the ice cream is. I'm using this mold from Fancy Sprinkles, and they come with these adorable little acrylic sticks. How cute are these? So now that these are poured, we're gonna let these think about themselves in the freezer for about 5 or 6 hours, or ideally overnight. I found out that some people's favorite was Posh, and I'm like, oh, what's her favorite part? Her vacant eyes, because I know, sure, it's all her singing and dancing, okay? You know, and like obviously, Sporty had the vocals, okay? And Baby was just there, like doing a little two-step with her big heels, but for me, Ginger and Scary were the beating heart. Oh, it's been 6 hours? No, yeah, no, I'll go check on them. Now that our bars are firm, we're gonna slide them out of the mold. Now, you might be worried that the bars are gonna stick to the mold, but just remember what the Spice Girls said. Free your mind of doubt and danger. Be for real. Don't be a stranger. We can achieve it. We can achieve it. Now, let's make our candy coating. So you can make a coating for your ice cream bars using any kind of regular chocolate plus coconut oil, but I'm not a regular kind of gal. So we're going to be using purple Easy Candy. We're going to add our Easy Candy and our coconut oil into a microwave safe container and heat it until it's melted. Now you don't want your coating to be super hot when you dip your ice cream bar in it because it's going to harden instantly and you risk having it crack. So make sure it's cooled down just a little bit, but it's still melted. Now you dip, then you sprinkle. And last but not least, we sparkle. And there you have it. Delicious, adorable, rainbow-colored ice cream pops that everyone is sure to love. The world may be on fire, but these will keep you cool. Fancy tip! Take your ice cream sando to the next level with an Easy Candy coating. Cut your sando in half and stab it with a stick. Make your candy coating and then dip, sprinkle, sparkle, and enjoy. I also tried this method with chocolate-covered bananas, and they ended up looking like sparkly pink and purple. Not all ideas are winners.